Internet kitties, welcome back to our channel. This is your girly pop. In today's video we're gonna do a makeup look based on what my Instagram friends chose for this look. A couple of days back I made my Instagram friends and followers play this game of this or that, and it was so fun. So basically I had 5 different templates. Everybody had to choose from this or that. I had 2 different choices in one single template of which makeup product I should use in my next video, which is this video. Whichever product would receive the maximum amount of votes, I would use that exact product. And that is how we landed on this video. I was just sitting one day and thinking what I should create next for my YouTube, and this video idea, it struck me. As you can guess, we are just gonna start with the eyes first because it's gonna be a really interesting eye look that I'm sure about. I mostly just want to focus on my eyes because it is going to take a lot of time and it is going to be the star of the show, so I wanted to invest more time on the camera on my eyes. For the eyes, I gave a choice of colorful eyeshadow and nude palette. I personally, a small part of me wanted that colorful eyeshadow look should win, but it did not. Everybody just chose a basic new eyeshadow palette, and I was like, I do have glitter in my eyeshadow palette, which is the nude eyeshadow palette, and we can definitely create something really great and crazy with it. This is the nude palette that got selected. I wanted to use another nude palette of mine, okay, but then I thought that people from my Instagram and all of my friends, followers, they would think that I'm kind of cheating them by not using the same palette which I showed in the picture. That didn't feel right to me, so we are just gonna go with this palette and this shade. For this makeup look, I do have a vision. Eye look is looking really messy right now and it is looking all over the place, I wouldn't lie. Maybe this is not how I should have started the video, but okay, keep faith you guys, keep faith. Sometimes I fumble so much because I just do not know how to explain the procedure. It has given such a crisp liner to the eyes and I really love that tape hack. It works wonders every single time. I don't know, whoever invented it is a genius. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna put concealer on the inner corner of my eyes. And did you see that? Was really embarrassing. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to blend things out. Right, so now I'm just gonna take this shade. It is like a glitter shade. It is not true glitter. Obviously we'll use this glitter as well. I have to make the most of the palette that I'm given here today. For now we'll just take this glitter as the base and lay it on the eyes. I was seriously rooting for people, not even kidding, rooting for people to choose the colorful eyeshadow palette, but everyone just went really basic with it for some reason. For the eyeshadow, people did choose the nude one. For the liner, people did choose the wing one. And for 2 of those templates, there was such a neck to neck competition between the products because 2 or 3 people would choose like this one particular product and it would win. Okay, I'm just applying eyelash glue to my eyes so that we can stick glitter to it. Okay, here it goes. I don't know how it's gonna look. Oh my god.
Oh my god, so pretty. So pretty.
Look at that bling. Why did I never use this glitter before? I never used this glitter. I don't even use this palette that often. It's kind of that situation wherein you skip a song every single time, but one time you hear that song, like one time, you always regret skipping that song in the past because it's that good. Okay, I'm back with both the eyes done. I didn't just restrict the glitter on the middle part, also brought it up towards the inner corner of the eyes, and it looks pretty good. It is giving such a desi wedding guest kind of a look. I should actually just name the title that because look at this glow. I'm not even done halfway. I still have the base to go, but yeah, chop, we need to get going. I'm gonna apply the foundation to my face and blend it out. As I mentioned before, the competition between the foundation and skin tints was very close knit, but I think like 2 or 3 people more, they chose foundation and concealer. This is a bit off topic, but I actually went to the store and got some face jewels for myself. I was kind of running out of face jewels, and now that I restocked them, I'm like, I should definitely use one or two in this video. Will that be considered cheating? I don't know. I'm indeed using a lot of outside products such as mascara, even the brow pencil and stuff. Let me know in the comments, is it cheating if I use face jewels? I think not, because it will look really cool with this look. So for the powders, I'm gonna go with translucent powder, which is exactly what you guys chose, and the choice was between banana powder, so I don't really mind banana or translucent, both have their benefits. So yeah, I'm not mad about either of them. Directly gonna bake, okay, don't mind it, but I have fallen in love with this translucent powder. It is by Fit Me, by the way. I spoke about it in another video of mine wherein I was trying out new products. I didn't get this powder because I thought it would make me look cakey, but it is that perfect powder which makes you look mattified but not cakey. And yeah, that was one of the best decisions I took in my life regarding makeup. I'm done with the translucent powder. We'll dust this off obviously after some time, but for now we need to do some bronzing and stuff. So let's move to the next step. For bronzing, there was no choice given, so I'm just gonna use this palette that I already have for bronzing. What choice can you even give for bronzing, right? Like, I did think about it and I was like, I could give them a choice between cool tone bronzing and warm tone bronzing, but that is not a choice really. I just gave them the choice which I thought was appropriate. I'm just gonna use the usual blush that I use because there was again no choice given, as I mentioned. And please ignore my hair, they are going haywires, but right now I'm just focusing on my makeup. So like, eyeliner is the craziest thing to do while talking. There was an option of graphic liner there as well, but Instagram that day just said you go basic. We did find a loophole in that, didn't we, with the glitter and stuff, but yeah, this is still basic, so we cannot do any graphic liner. We're just going with a simple wing liner. The one thing that is left now are the lips. We will again have to go, oh my god, there's a hair, what is this? Again have to go back to the eyes because I do want to do something to the waterline, and since it is turning out to be a wedding guest look, why not just make it a full-fledged wedding guest look. Just gonna complete the lips. I'm right now overlining them. And by the way, yeah, I didn't mention, right, everyone chose the glossy lips. I would have preferred matte lips with this look specifically, but I do love a glossy lip in general, so yeah, I'm not mad about it. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, I forgot to dust off the powder from here. How did I forget that? And it is about time for the favorite part of this video, and that is to apply gloss. I love talking to the camera and doing my makeup. Easily become one of my favorite things to do. And yeah, thanks to you guys. If you're still watching this, I mean, thank you so much, and I love you. Okay, this is how my lip is looking. Is it matching with the eye look though? That is the real question. I think it is because we did lay down the brown color for the lips. Okay, I have a change of heart and mind. We are gonna do one more thing. Wait here. Look. They are so glittery, shiny, sparkly, and they have pearly kind of stones, and then there are like butterfly kind of stones, and these are like face gems. I'm just gonna put 2 of these for each eye, and yeah, it's gonna look really pretty. These stones, they remind me of my nails actually. I have like small teeny tiny stones on my fingers as well. I'm really struggling with these beads, they are falling everywhere. I don't want it there. Okay, I think we got it. Making my waterline kind of dark so that the eyes have dimension to it. This is literally the finale of this look. And yeah, we are done. I had a lot of fun filming this, and thank you so much to my Instagram fam. Everything that you guys chose for me, it came together and worked out on my face. Who participated in my small teeny tiny little this or that game. You guys are the special ones and I love you a lot, and I will see you in my next one.